Okay, here we go on talking about expected value. To find each of these, okay, to find the expected value, we're going to take each of these numbers, the probability of the number, times that value given, and we're going to find the sum of those. So I'm going to find 0 times 0.05, which of course is 0, plus 1 times 0.1, plus 2 times 0.2, plus 3 times 0.25, plus 4 times 0.3, and 5 times 0.1. And let's see, 0, 0.1, 0.4, 0.75, 1.2, 0.5. Yeah, that's 2.95. So we're talking about how many emails should he receive each day? On average, 2.95 emails. So we multiplied each of these numbers times their probabilities and got 2.95 emails. Okay, so standard deviation. Oh, wait a minute, there's a shorter way of doing this. That's right. Stat, edit, we put them in there. I put the emails received in L1. I put the probability matching it in L2. I go stat, calc, enter. In L1, my list is L1 because that's where the number of emails received is. And then to get L2 there, you press second, 2, and then we calculate. Look, 2.95 emails, and my standard deviation is 1.32. So this is 1.32 emails per day. If it takes him 10 minutes to respond to each email, okay, 2.95, so 10 minutes for 2.95 emails each day, that's 29 and a half minutes each day responding to emails per day, whatever you want to say. All right, question 2 down here. The Vet Association claims that the annual cost of medical care for dogs averages $100, standard deviation of 30, $120, standard deviation of 35. What's the expected value for the annual cost for a person who has one dog and one cat? Okay, so the expected value of a dog plus cat equals 100 plus 120 equals $220 per year. Okay, then finding the standard deviation. Find the standard deviation. I'll remind you, we never, never, never add standard deviations. We square, add square root. So here we go. We'll go 30 squared plus 35 squared, and then we're going to square root that answer. So this is the square root of 900. I always forget what 35 squared is. Oh yeah, 1225. So that equals the square root of 2125, which is approximately $46.10. $46.10 per year. Okay, now we have the annual expected cost of 4 dogs and a couple owns. So that's simply 4 times 100 equals they should expect to spend about $400 per year. Okay, and then the standard deviation of those 4 dogs was $30. So that's going to be the square root of add square root, 30 squared plus 30 squared plus 30 squared plus 30 squared. Well, hopefully you know by now 30 squared is 900. 900 times 4 is 3,600. So that's the square root of 3,600, which is $60 per year. Okay, there's that side. So let's turn